Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use dual monitors with Chrome Remote Desktop. Let's get into it. First, connect to your remote computer. Open the Chrome Remote Desktop website or app and click on your computer's name to start. Enter your secret code or PIN to unlock the screen if needed. You need to be fully connected to your main device before you can start moving your windows between different screens. Next, open the side menu options. You need to find the hidden menu that holds all the special viewing choices. This is usually tucked away on the side of your screen. Look for the three dots icon at the top right of your screen and click it to slide out the menu. Scroll down until you see the section for how the screen is shown. The main screen usually only shows you one monitor at a time to keep things simple. Opening this menu lets you find the switch to see your full desktop. Next, choose your display mode. Now you can tell the program exactly how you want to see your monitors. You have the choice to see one at a time or all of them together. Look for the box that says Displays and click the small arrow to see your choices. If it's available for you, you can pick Show All Displays if you want to see both screens at the same time, or select a specific monitor number to switch between them. Lastly, adjust the window to fit. Now, make sure the screens look right on your current monitor. You might need to change the size so everything is easy to read. In the session options, check the box for resize to fit or smooth scaling. Making the window fit properly ensures that the text isn't too small to see so you can work across both monitors easily. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.